Imagine a world where air controls everything from simple tasks to complex machinery. Intrigued? Keep watching to discover the magic behind 3 two-way pneumatic solenoid valves. 3 two-way pneumatic valves are the unsung heroes in managing airflow for various applications, including single-acting cylinders and pneumatic actuators. These valves have 3 ports and 2 positions, allowing them to fill a cylinder with air and then exhaust it, enabling a new working stroke. The 3rd port for venting makes a two-way valve insufficient for these tasks, highlighting the unique functionality of 3 two-way valves. These valves can be actuated in several ways: pneumatically, mechanically, manually, and electrically using a solenoid. In direct-operated valves, the spool or poppet is moved directly by the actuator, which can be a solenoid, push-button, lever, or foot pedal. Indirectly operated valves use system pressure to move the spool, requiring an additional pilot valve to deliver compressed air to a small air cylinder inside the valve. Monostable valves return to their default position using spring force, while bistable valves maintain their position without continuous power. When the valve is open, air flows from the inlet to the outlet. When closed, air flows from the outlet to the exhaust. Most 3 two-way valves are monostable, returning to their default position when not actuated, typically using a spring mechanism. In a solenoid-operated 3 two-way pneumatic valve, the solenoid generates a magnetic field to move the armature, which then shifts the spool to control airflow. When the solenoid is de-energized, return springs bring the armature and spool back to their default positions, stopping the airflow. Valves and seals must be resistant to corrosion when exposed to aggressive substances, making environmental considerations crucial in pneumatic systems. 3 two-way valves are versatile, suitable for driving pneumatic actuators, blow-off, pressure release, and vacuum applications. In a single-acting cylinder, the 3 two-way valve fills the air chamber to move the cylinder in one direction and vents it to return to the original position. For double-acting cylinders, 2 3 two-way valves can be used to control the movement by filling one air chamber while venting the other. Using 2 3 two-way valves allows for different pressures to be applied to the cylinder ports and simultaneous venting of both air chambers. 3 two-way valves are ideal for blow-off, pressure release, and vacuum applications, often requiring externally piloted or direct actuated valves. Unlock the power of air with 3 two-way pneumatic solenoid valves. Control, precision, and versatility at your fingertips. Stay tuned for more insights.